So actually it was 3 tablespoons of flour instead of 1, so we added the rest. And if you can see, it's bubbling and it's starting to become thick, and that's exactly the consistency we want. So now we're just going to turn off the heat, and we're going to set it aside and add our cheese. Now we use 12 ounces of cheese because we really like ours cheesy. But how we do it, we break it up into some of it now and some of it on top. So, and I grate my cheese because I just like it better, it's fresher. But you can buy it already grated, and it's sharp cheddar cheese that you want to use. So we're going to transfer this over here, and I'm just going to take handfuls of it. That's how I like to break it up, handfuls, and add it here. And then just mix it, and it'll melt into the cheesy sauce. And we're going to add one more handful. So I'm going to guesstimate that we're putting 8 ounces in the sauce, and then 4 on the top. So, and then we're just going to wait until that melts, and see how it's melting good. Now what we're going to do, while it's melting, is we're going to add the macaroni that we cooked into this pot. So we're going to pour this in. And we're not going to use the whisk for this part because it's stuck. But we're going to just stir it around with a spoon and get the cheese sauce all over. And then once you've stirred it, we're going to take a casserole dish, which if you don't have a casserole dish, that's fine. You can use just like one of those foil things that you can make lasagna in or something like that. But you want to use something that's deep, because if you were just to cook it on like a 3.5 like cake sheet, the outside edges will be really crisp, and you don't want that. So we're just going to put it into this casserole dish. So it's going to be hot. So I'm going to pour it in here. And then we're going to top it with the rest of the cheese. Just top it. Kind of hard because it's sticky. And this is also going to cook at 350 degrees, so we're just going to place it in there with the meatloaf. And this cooks for 35 minutes. So I'm just going to slide over our meatloaf, which is cooking up pretty good. Smells delicious. I'm going to put this in there and let that cook for 35 minutes. So the meatloaf and the mac and cheese are finished cooking now. We let the meatloaf stand for 10 minutes just to let it sort of come together and cool. So now I'm going to try it. I like to eat mine with ketchup. It's really good. Mine is really hot, but it's very good. Thank you for watching. This is Cooking in College with Paige.